Hello everyone. Welcome to Crossblog X TV. On our channel, you know how we do it. We bring you celebrity gossips, relationship, celebrity news, discussions, lifestyle, entertainment news updates. If you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, please. And if you like our videos, well, please don't forget to like and share, and always check your notification button down below here and drop your comment as well. I want to know if I'm engaging with you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you're one of my subscribers, always check your notification button. Thank you for all your comments, the positive and the negative. Thank you so much. It actually motivates us. Yeah. Today now I'll be talking about anyways, flying around. I'm sure most of you have heard about it. Oba Adeyeye Ooni of Ife is set to marry another wife now, and her name is called Mariam Anako. Before going into that side, let's quickly flash back on the marriage between, or will I say the relationship between Queen Naomi and Oba Ogunwusi. Now, Ooni of Ife got married to Queen Naomi in 2018, and when they got married, a lot of people came out. You know, they gave different opinions about their marriage, their relationship. Now, let's say Naomi is a prophetess. She has her own ministry. She's getting married to an Oba. We all know that traditionally what Oba does, you know, and some people classify all those rituals they do in the palace or the tradition like something that a woman of God, a man of God is not supposed to get involved. But you know, when love sets in, love has no boundaries. And I also believe something about destiny. Where you are destined to be, the journey you are destined to walk through, you can't change it because it's ordained by our Most High God. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comments on this. Drop a comment down below. This matter, this discussion is really educating. I want us to learn. And I also want to learn from you, my subscriber as well. So let me go on. So now, a lot of people said the marriage won't work. It's not going to last. We saw so many videos. And at the end of the day, I saw that Queen Naomi tried to patch it up. She tried to make it work so that what people have seen or what people have said doesn't come to pass. So at the end of the day, it didn't work. But we bless God that Queen Naomi gave the Ooni of Ife, she gave Ooni of Ife a role, yes, a prince, yes, Tadenikawo. So that gave her another edge ahead of the other queens that Ooni of Ife has previously gotten married to. Now, 2021, December 23rd, yeah. Queen Naomi left. She wrote on her IG that she's going to be stepping down as a queen of Ife, Ile-Ife, and she wants to move on with her life, you know, that she was living. And then when she wrote that on her Instagram handle, people were like, "What's going on? What's going on? Is this woman living? Is she leaving the palace again? Kí ló ń really ṣẹlẹ̀ ní palace, you know?" With all the things, now we have to say, okay, the marriage won't last long. It's not going to last long. But at the end of the day, it crashed. Queen Naomi left the palace. But she didn't leave alone. She left with a joyful, bouncing, handsome Tadenikawo, you know, the prince. So now, between that process, a lot of things had happened. So many people have been involved trying to settle this thing because we don't want it to be like, okay, one kafun or back, do you understand? Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please drop your comments. Drop comments in. What's your take on this? Now, as I was saying, don't forget to subscribe. Check your notification button. If you are listening to my video for the first time, Please, if you like my video, subscribe, like, and share, please. So as I was saying, you know, a lot of people try to settle this thing. You know, people try to bring back the Queen Shilekonla back to the palace. But it's like the Queen doesn't want to come back again. She doesn't want to come back to the palace because maybe one or two things we don't know that she knows. You understand? So now, ever since she left the palace, Ooni of Ife has been single. We always see him alone with his entourage, no other person. Aside that, they always bring this other queen, Ashley, that she's going to be the next queen. But no, what we don't understand is all this tradition, yeah. Omani, I won't continue ni. Maybe you have to be a virgin to be a queen. Ni lati lomo sita, you know. You don't have to be like Adelebo Totibi Mori, you know. So many things are attached to this being a queen of Ile Ife, because they have their tradition, and those tradition needs to be followed. Yes, only they need to follow those traditions, because if they don't follow those traditions, something might go wrong somewhere. So I felt Naomi, maybe the responsibility was too much for Naomi, or she didn't want the king to get married to another wife, because it's normal. We all know the tradition. Even this may God bless his soul, Alaafin of Oyo, he has several wives, and he was taking good care of them, and they were not happy. So many kings like that. So to Naomi, it shouldn't be a new thing. So now she left the palace. The king has been single, and now let's come back to the main gist. The king is set to marry Mariam Anako. And it was revealed by our source that a reintroduction was held in 19th of February 2022. And it was privately done, that they don't even want any traces of it to leak out. You understand? And even in the palace as well, the gist is be flying around, because the quarter Queen Naomi left, where she vacated, the king has set to find love again, and there's nothing bad in that. In my own opinion, he's a king, for crying out sake. He needs somebody beside him. Yes, because if you call a king, there's always somebody needs to be beside him to always take that role as a queen. And Naomi has said, look, I'm not coming back. And we can see in all Naomi's videos or wherever, she's looking good, radiant, happy. She seems to be happy with what she's doing. You understand? And she's carried on with life. Her NGO, you know, and you know, in her ministry, she's moving on fine. So let's leave that one now. So Mariam Anako is the new wife. Let me give you a brief about Mariam Anako. Mariam Anako is she's one of the executive in the nestoil, and we also heard that she has been friends with Ooni of Ife for over 3 years. So that means they've been dating without any traces. This is shocking, to be honest. Why Queen Naomi left, I'm sure she has a reason, but she's this typical lady that don't talk too much, and I respect her for that. So Mariam Anako and from our source, Mariam Anako and Ooni of Ife, they've been dating for 3 years, over 3 years, and nobody knew about it. Kudos to that. I'm very surprised. And Mariam Anako, we heard that she's from Ibera ethnic group in Kogi State, but her parents are based in Ilorin, Kwara State. And we also heard that Ooni of Ife's new said to be mother-in-law is a police officer. You know, so Ooni went for something higher this time around. Ooni's mother-in-law to be, she's a retired police officer. Mariam lost her dad at a very younger age, and we heard that she was brought up by the former Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Diko Abubakar, who led the Nigerian police force between 2012 and 2014. This Mariam, I think she's from a very wealthy family, highly influential. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please. Always check your notification button, and also please drop your comment down below. This our discussion today is a very interesting one. Very, very interesting one. And the news is flying around now that the palace and the king Ooni of Ife is set to marry this woman, Mariam Anako. Previously, I said they've done their introduction. Their introduction was held in February this year on the 19th. It was on the 19th. And you people should be waiting for the Ashwebi. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ashwebi is loading. They are set to wed in August, so we don't know what date exactly, but from our source, we heard they are set to wed in August. So this now, officially, if Ooni of Ife gets to marry Mariam Anako, is going to be his 4th marriage. So now, what's going on? Kí lẹ fi pò ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ó máa jẹ́ marriage ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin tí Ooni of Ife tí wọ́n ti ṣe tán bá ti fẹ́ Mariam, you know. And my question is, question tó ń kàn wá sí brain mi, and I would like you guys to drop your comment down below. Please, kí lẹ feel? Question number 1 is there something chasing out all the queens from their matrimonial home, which is the palace of Ooni of Ife? Please, I need answers for that, because the first person could not wait, the second could not wait, the third could not wait, and now the 4th one. What's going on? And my question, my second question is this a marriage of the marriage that's coming up between Ooni of Ife and Mariam Anako? Is it going to last? Show my last. What do you feel? Please drop your comment down below. Kí lẹ feel? What is going on? Kilo to my jassy. Mo fẹ́ kó jásí bí rere, because I'm always a positive person, but we're just asking questions. Now we are discussing, we're talking. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. What's your take on this? Yeah. And my third question is, should Ooni of Ife consult the gods on the solution before getting married? Ṣé Ooni of Ife consult to àwọn, you know, the traditional gods, like, to know what is going on? Ṣé kó consult Ifá ni àbí báwo ni? Pé kó má tún jẹ́ pé ìkíní lulẹ̀, kejì lulẹ̀, kẹta lulẹ̀, kẹrin lulẹ̀, you know? It's just my own question. Don't go on brain me, and I'll be happy. Tẹ́ bá lè drop it down below. Kí lẹ feel? And the fourth and the last one is Ooni of Ife supposed to go and beg his first wife, àkọ́fẹ́ ìyàwó wọn, Adébùkọ́lá ní Bọ̀bántà? Ṣé ó yẹ k'Ooni of Ife lọ bẹ̀ ni? Ṣé wọ́n ṣẹ̀ ni? Àbí kò yé mi? Those are the questions going on in my brain. Please drop your comment down below. What do you think? Hey, ó ga o. Nísìnyí báyìí, mọ́mì, mo bẹ̀ yín, ẹ̀yin grandma, ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n ọba wa Ooni of Ife, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run mà, Èrèlú Ìyálọ́jà, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ jẹ́ kí marriage Mariam àti Ooni kó last. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé mọ̀ pé ọmọdé ni gbogbo wa, tẹ́ bá ti gbà wọlé kò lè work. Ẹ mọ̀ pé sì Zainab ó dá wa ni, ẹ gbà ó sá lọ. Sílẹ̀kùn ọlá ó tún wò pé tóun bá wá pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹni tó rájò bóyá sàn, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà kò lè dúró hit yẹn náà, ó sá lọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àǹtí mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mọ́mì mi, grandma mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please always check your notification button. It's very important. So as I was saying, I'm begging the 3 Ooni sisters, please, let this marriage work between Mariam and Ooni of Ife. Èrèlú Ìyálọ́jà, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má wo gbogbo ìwà àwọn ọmọdé ni wọ́n, ẹ gbà wọ́n tọwọ́ tẹsẹ̀, because that's the only way the marriage is going to work. So it's not going to be like they're counting it for the Oba. The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Now is Mariam, please. Mariam is the first wife, is going to be, Ooni of Ife is going to get married to legally now. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run mo fi bẹ̀ yín mà. Please ma, we beg you, let this marriage work. Don't interfere. All the palace people, please, I'm on my knees begging. Let this marriage work once and for all. Let this woman, our new queen to be, Mariam Anako, let her enjoy a matrimonial home. Let her enjoy the palace. Let her be free. Please, leave them. Let her enjoy her husband. Let Ooni of Ife be free for once. This Ooni cannot remain a single man forever. He cannot remain pursuing and receiving back queens back to back. It doesn't work that way. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Always check your notification button. Please, I'm begging. This video, I'm doing it because I love Ooni, I love Ile Ife, and there's no point our king being single back and forth. Please, please accept this our new wife that is coming. Let her relax. Let us feel at home, because this our wife, she doesn't need to come with entourage. Yeah, now Mariam doesn't need to come with entourage for her to live in her matrimonial home. No, only her is enough. And please, she can only achieve that. She can only enjoy the marriage if you people take her in as your daughter, as your wife, as your sister. Please, that's the only way it can work. Don't let them be counting it for our Oba. It's too much. We don't want that. Yeah, and I know that my sisters, my mothers, my grandma, I know you people will change. I know Momo ma change de ma gba wọlé. Monica fi tu be yin ni pé torí tá bá ṣe báyìí bóyá tún máa gbọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kó dúró. Because èèyàn lè dágbó ṣe, igi kan ò dágbó ṣe. Yes, one tree cannot make a forest. Yeah. So with your help of the three sisters, Iyalaje and Erelu, this new marriage will work. And the marriage is coming soon. Please let it work. Thank you. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? What is going to be the solution sí kíní? Because Ooni of Ife needs to deal with all those things before he gets married again. I'm not against his marriage. He's our king. He can marry whoever he wants to marry, but he can't keep going on and on like this. It's going to be his fourth official marriage. You know, Naomi's own, everyone speculated it, but Naomi tried her best. She tried. You know, even when they were mocking her, we saw lots of video, but she tried, but it didn't work out. Please drop your comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please. Thank you for your positive comments, your negative comments. They all motivate me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Ooni of Ife, Mariam Anako, I wish you guys a successful marriage. I wish your home sweetness and honey. May God bless your home as you are going on this journey with Ooni of Ife. We never can tell. Maybe you are the true queen that is going to last. We pray, and I know God will support you guys. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for our next update. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please always drop your comment down below. My 4 questions, please. If you can help me answer them, I don't mind. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.